Hi, Susan here, back in play. So I'm here today to tell you about a workshop that I have coming up January 31st in Jarvis at the public library. And this is a laughter wellness for healthcare staff, professionals, people who are working in the healthcare sector, PSWs, rec therapists, anyone, retirement homes. Oh, retirement homes need more laughter. Social service worker, anyone who is working on a daily basis with folks. And just the idea is to introduce laughter wellness to the professional and help them to reduce stress and optimize their health and themselves and their clients and the people that they support. I've run this workshop before. It's been very well received. Has been a while since I've offered it, but it is coming, and so I'm really excited, and I hope that you'll be interested. So we're going to talk about self-care and stress, on-the-job stress, the ethical stress, and how that affects a healthy brain. And as you know, my background is the brain, working through the Alzheimer Society. I have a bit of insight there, and our self-talk. We're going to look at our self-talk and some of our learned responses, things that we do automatically, and maybe turning that around a bit. We're going to talk about the value of smiling, just a simple smile. There's research about this. You're going to learn about it. And then we're going to talk about laughter. And you all know I'm laughter yoga. And I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about the history and the concept and the philosophy of laughter yoga. And we might even try a little bit out. And then I'm going to show you how to share that with your clients. And just to bump it up a notch, just shift ever so gently into a more positive frame. Your attitude is critical. This is a critical tool for you to have in your toolkit, both for yourself and the person you support. And when you can both get on the same page, it's awesome. So that's what we're going to do. So that is at the Jarvis Public Library, and that's 2 Monson Street in Jarvis on Wednesday, January 31st, and from 9 till 12:30. It's $35 in advance or $45 at the door. Now there is limited seating, so if you come to the door and we're full, well, we'll squeeze you in. Anyway, hope to see you out, and you can private message me here if you have any questions, and like this page for more information. Thanks. See you next time.